Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. We are experiencing high turbulence. Please do not worry. We are sorting this out. It could be a bumpy ride.
I'm never flying again.
Wait to see my honey boo-boo.
Everyone, seems something has hit us.
That guy just flew out.
Whoa, we survived it. Did Myerzy not make it?
Oh, ouch, my head. Dude, did you see that?
He got sucked right out.
He just flew out.
He's not going to see Honey Boo Boo, that's for sure. Whoa, we're underwater. Come on. Whoa, we're in the life raft. This is just like Castaway.
Oh, what's this?
Oh.
I saw your plane crash. I have a way to get you off this island. I have a seaplane, all broken. I need you to find me the parts and get us off this island.
Hot potato, choppy chop, chop the tree. Whack the out of that thing. Oh, you gotta chop at the bottom. There it goes.
All right, I did it.
Nice. Woo.
I'm stronger than you. I'm stronger
You are,
than
that we have agreed on since day one. There's scraps over here. Let's collect this. Oh, we gotta carry all this over. Oh, okay.
Thank you so much. All we need now is a wing for my plane. Something
Oh
strong.
my God.
If you head
Do it
into the
yourself!
cave on the other island there, I believe there is something in there you can get. But beware, you'll have company.
We made it.
Yes.
It just got dark again.
That's because we're going into this tomb. Oh, we're in.
Oh,
Let's go. We got bow and arrows.
I don't have a bow.
There was two. There's one right there.
Oh, right here.
What'd you do?
Oh, whoa.
Oh. This is awesome. We're going on an adventure.
Ow!
Quick.
What the heck?
I have your thing. Here, take it.
Oh, where? Oh,
Hit him.
much sustenance.
Oh, well, yeah.
We did it.
Holy crap, that was crazy. Can we get these jewels at least? Dude, my arms are tired from that. So this is like Indiana Jones. We have to pick the floor mats. Nope. It's this one.
Okay,
This one.
I got the next one. You ready? Okay.
Oh, I'm doing it. Yeah.
What?
No. It's gotta be this one.
Here.
Yo.
I got this.
Dude, I'm crushing this. Yo, I did it. Yeah.
Help me.
No, you're gonna be fine. It's just a little tiny flesh wound.
This is a
You're
little
definitely
scratch.
gonna be all right. Don't worry. I'm gonna go get a Band-Aid. I'll be right back for you.
Oh,
I'm
okay.
coming back. I promise. I promise I'm coming back.
Oh, okay.
He's What's in here? What's in your wallet? I can't grab the arrow.
You left me a gun.
Well, what do we
Oh.
have here? Some shiny
What the-
humans? My favorite things to eat. You won't be stealing my gold now. There's nothing you can
Oh,
do,
it's a
human.
ton of gold.
Time to sink to the bottom.
Yo, we can maybe drop that spike on him.
Run!
We gotta go get the.
Get him.
Oh, you gotta hit the thing up above.
Oh, wait. Drop the...
Oh, it's on my head.
This guy's an idiot.
We got him. What else is there to drop on?
die.
There's one more. Yeah, good shot. Oh, we got him. We get the gold now.
Ah,
We went on a Goonies adventure.
where's the wing?
You could go and see his guts. Oh, it's this thing.
Oh, what the heck? What'd you just do?
You've got all the parts I need for the plane. Thank you so
Okay.
much.
What's going on here?
There's only space for
Should've just
you.
ended there.
Go set off before dawn. I'll be okay. Don't worry about me. Get on the plane.
Are we gonna fly home?
He's not coming with us.
Wait, what is going on? I'm circulating all over the place. Oh, what the f was that?